Hi friends, welcome to Bella's Stitchery. I'm about to embark on a brand new cross stitch project. This will be the largest tapestry I have ever attempted. It is going to be 31.5 by 44.5 inches on a 14 count. So I'm excited, a little bit terrified. Should be fine, it's just one color, right? Right? Should be good. So I wanted to get all my materials together and kind of show you how it's all pieced together. Thought that'd be kind of fun. It's a chart that is 36 pages long. So sometimes I just look at it and I'm already a little bit nervous. It's gonna be great though. If you want to stitch this along with me, you could order this pattern from my eBay shop. I'll have a link in the description below, along with a ton of other silhouettes, Alice in Wonderland, you name it, you could stitch it. So for my supplies on this one, I have ordered an Aida cloth the size of a baby blanket, maybe a twin-sized bed. This is massive. Now this is going to be bigger than I need, but I like to allow myself at least 3 to 4 inches on all 4 sides. I can always cut down, but you don't want to stop midway into your tapestry and run out of space. So this is my huge Aida cloth. Can't deal with that yet. Now let me make sure I got all my colors. Nailed it, all black. I think for this one I'm just going to use 3 strands throughout versus 2 because the background white is just going to be open Aida. So if I use 3 strands, I think it is going to give me a little bit more opacity, if you will. So what we do for this is your chart will come as a PDF in your email. You're going to have a cover page that will always have the legend with the colors needed, a picture of what it looks like stitched, stitch count, grid area, all that kind of stuff. And then the rest is just your chart. So it is numbered, the pages are numbered, but also the graph, the grid here in 10s across the top and down. And every other page is going to have 2 gray lines, which are overlap lines from the page before. So if you're taping it together, in my case I got a lot of tape. You never know, you don't want to run out of tape. So I could piece it all together. You could also work page by page, but I prefer having one big chart that I could then fold up, keep on my lap, cut away as I finish sections. So let's start.